Good morning, everybody. Next speech is how important the intestinal bacteria. Once you heard the name of bacteria, everybody think or confirm that is our enemy. We should kill them. Because from 100 years ago, everybody confirmed the bacteria is our enemy. We should kill. But this thinking is true or not? You just think yourself, even if you never believe what I want to say. But that is true. Bacteria is not our enemy. Bacteria is our friend. If bacteria never arrive on this earth, nobody arrive on this. Because bacteria, once we ate the food, bacteria in the intestine always break down our food and to make non-toxic substance. So our blood always go around and to make healthy foods, healthy body. If bacteria is not, nothing can break down our food, and we always stay the waste product, and blood is contaminated. So your blood is always contaminated blood, and finally we suffer many serious diseases. However, many companies, in order to make or to sell their product, they need to make enemy. What is enemy? Bacteria is very nice. Bacteria is our enemy. We should kill. So everybody believe what they said, but that is completely wrong. Since I have been studying the many different diseases as well as many different fields, I confirm bacteria is not our enemy. Since we kill the bacteria, especially bacteria in the colon, nothing can purify our blood. So we suffer many serious cancer, Alzheimer, diabetes, and hepatitis, and so on, nephritis, and so on. You just remind yourself, your disease is based on the contamination of the blood due to you will take the drug. I don't think that drug is not bad. However, the more we kill the bacteria in the colon, the more nothing can purify our blood, which will lead contamination of blood. And this contamination blood will go to our breast, our uterus, and our prostate. You suffer from many serious diseases. From now, and I'd like to explain many diseases. But before you heard my presentation, you just think how importance of bacteria in the intestine.